None of the slaps were fake. You think at that age we knew how to edit sound effects? Brian was just a real one. And that's how much like we wanted content that Brian was like, you know what? Just hit me. So what do you say 12, 13 years later, I'll let you get me just one time.
For real? I'm sorry for this, but I think it's well deserved.
Ow!
I'm sorry.
Ow!
I'm sorry.
Get out of my seat!
Okay.
Ow! Is it red? Oh! Okay. Watch, guys. I'm not going to tell you when. Brian won't know when. Nobody will know, but he's getting one.